Hello there, lovely people. Martin here again, and today I'm making some dust with this Metabo DH330. So stay tuned and join me for this review. Stop. Here you see how many millimeters it will shave off. And you'll get an even result and no splinters. And the machine is quite easy to understand. Here is the lever to change the height. This lever will lock the height and keep it from wandering. And with this little piglet you can set the minimum height. Now let's see what this baby can do. Yeah, so it worked, but I don't know if I recommend it. I had to pull them out in the end, but it did the job, so why not? Good machine. Yeah, so tried and tested. I bought this for $350. I for sure think it's worth it. Saved me a lot of time, but the dust just flew in my eyes, so yeah. There's something. Would I buy it again? Yeah. Did it do the work I thought it would do? Yes. Could I bought a more expensive machine? Yes. Am I gonna waste a lot more of your time? No. Can I carry it? Yeah. It's 35 kilos. So you decide for yourself. The guy who sold it to me said he fucked up his shoulders doing something else than carrying this, so he couldn't use it really anymore because he didn't have the manpower, but that's up to you. I think the performance was good. It's a pretty basic machine, just set and go really. I didn't read the manual, of course. Yeah. Not wasting more of your time. Goodbye.